Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. The other day in class, we were talking about which aspects of our personality we like the least. And I had to admit that for me, it's my temper, because I know I can be quite an angry person. That may surprise you if you only see me being charming and articulate in these videos. But underneath this exterior, there lurks quite an angry person. And I know that flipping out and screaming and shouting at people doesn't tend to make situations better, but I recognise that I have this capability within myself. So what I've learned to do over the years is to keep a lid on my temper. A lid is like the top of a jar. So, there's the lid of a Nivea jar, for example. And if you try to keep a lid on something, you control the level of it to stop it increasing. So maybe, for example, if you're a bit of a shopaholic, you might have to train yourself to always ask if you really need something that you're tempted to buy, so that you can try and keep a lid on your spending. The government might try to keep a lid on inflation, for example. Or maybe they're desperately trying to keep a lid on some kind of scandal. They're trying to stop the news from really coming out, or to stop the scandal from becoming bigger than it really is. And if you play any kind of sport, like tennis or football or something, it's important to keep a cool head. You need to learn how to keep a lid on your emotions before your emotions get the better of you. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see an example of how you might use keep a lid on things.